representative, Mr. Haji Estropa. To our guest speaker that should be introduced later. To Ma'am Jovi S. De La Rosa, Principal 1 of Sergio L. Talagatos Elementary School. To our beloved co-head teacher 1, Ma'am Ruby T. Dimbas. To our dear parents, to my family, my friends, and fellow graduates, a pleasant morning and welcome to the graduation ceremony of Panayakan National High School year 2023-2024. Graduation is the pinnacle of a student's academic career. Since we have reached the conclusion of this chapter of our secondary education, we are filled with both excitement and sadness, joy for reaching our